how do you design a YouTube channel art, and most importantly, for free. So today I'm going to share with you how you're going to design a YouTube channel art. And in case you don't know what YouTube channel art is, it is the first thing you see when you land on someone's page. It looks something like this. Okay, let me show you and let's jump into the computer.
Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel art, and I want to change this because I like the background and things like that, but I just do not like me being blurred. So you just click on this and just click how to create a channel art. So you just read through this one. The important thing that we have to know is the size and also the art template. So the art will look something like this. And why it is so big? Because they want to show this on TV as well. Yes, YouTube can be played in TV, and when you see this on TV, you look big, but the important area that we have to focus on is in this small area, because as you can see here, it is only this area that's being seen, right? And this is the area that how do you say that usually in the mobile you only see this small area instead of such a long area that you can see here. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how you can design this for free with a lot of the templates you can use, which is by Canva. So the software we're going to use is canva.com, and since I've been searching about it, so that's why it is here. So actually in here you can just search YouTube channel art, just click on it, and then there's a lot of ideas that you can take. For example, blank one, this is all with the size, so you can choose whichever that you like, right? So I chose this one previously because I liked the circle thing, but you can choose any other design that you like as well. Or there's a few other channels that I saw where they have multiple photos of themselves, so you can take a blank one and then you just put a lot of photos of yourself to be around. But I'm going to show you a trick so that you can exactly position them right at the middle, or not you're going to position everywhere and things will be cut off. Okay, so okay, let me just choose one similar, the same thing, exactly same thing, which is the game strategies. Just click on it. So this is the size. Okay, so I have already pre-upload the photos. So as you can see, a lot of because I've been running thumbnails, right? So this is the photo that we want to use. So let's delete this one. Delete. Okay, so you delete all the photos and you're left with this. So you just have to go to left with this. So you go to upload. So I've uploaded this previously, so you have to upload this. You put it here right in the middle. You can use it as a tracing, right? Then put S50 so that you can see, then you create elements. So now you can see that all this area, you can don't focus on your design, because this area is not on the TV. Most importantly, it's right all in the middle. So you just create like a box or something, right? Put it at the middle. Okay, extend it, then you roughly see there. As you can see, it is 1546, so you just adjust it to 1546. 1546. You cannot be exact, it's tough to be exact. And then 423. Okay, and then just position them in the middle there. So as you can see, this box, you have to design your things within this box. You can just delete the template. So now you can see whatever you design here will be on top of this box. Okay, so I wanted to have let me see, maybe I want to adjust them. Why I did this. Okay, never mind, let's proceed with this first. So maybe I want this to be black, and I want this to be transparent like 90. Okay, then I wanted the text, just put something here, just my name. Then I put, what do I put? Entrepreneurship, digital marketing. Yep, that's what I'm known for. Entrepreneurship, digital marketing, public speaking. Let's put it here. And I want to change them to yellow. Why yellow? Because yellow is bright. Let's just find yellow color code. There. So it looks quite similar to what I have earlier on. Now I want to have my picture. So I already uploaded some of my pictures. This one, which I've been using for a lot of my events and related stuff. Just crop it a bit. Yes, there. Looks kind of professional, I would say. Looks pretty okay. I mean, it is clearer than this one. And I just feel that it's quite close to each other. So let me ungroup this. Why? Because I find that the G is cutting here. Okay, then I just want the whole thing to be black. So when you look into this, you saw just when you open in computer, you only see that one side. Let me increase the transparency even more, because I cannot see what's behind already. Okay, so it looks fine. Let's just download the PNG version. So now I have it downloaded. So now let's go to the picture, and I want to get it's gonna look different, understood. That's why you see that's why the small box is just for this area. Expanded the black color box so that it look here. But the TV, it look like this. It doesn't really matter the TV. Most people look at desktop and mobile. If you're following my content, most probably you're not using it using content. Most probably not watching it using TV, so it's fine. And there, it looks different. It's similar as just now, but you can use many other design. It all depends on what kind of feel you want. Depends on which channel that you like to follow, and you just have to model them. So this is what I like. I like just have my clear about my name, what I do, and also the picture of me. For me, this is fine enough. If you feel this is useful for you, to help you, please subscribe to my channel. Support this channel, like, comment, or share to someone that need it. Feel free to ask me anything. If you have any questions, you can contact me through all my social media below, and I see you in my next video. Goodbye.